Hi, in this video we're going to be looking at the Entex PACMAN2 game. Now, purchased it off eBay for spares or repair, and it was on bids and I won it for 99 pence. So, didn't actually cost a lot at all. Now, one of the battery covers is missing, and it looks like the battery terminals are in pretty poor condition on this side. On this side, they actually don't look too bad. They look fairly clean. So I think the problem is going to be the battery terminals on here, to be quite honest with you. Looks like the original owner, somebody Westerling, and they've been making a note of the high scores there. That's 16th of the 2nd, 1985, and it looks like they got 1,311 points. So, right. I think we'll take it apart and we'll have a look what's inside of it as well, and then we'll try cleaning up the battery terminals and see if it springs to life. So it might just be a little quick fix, this one. So looks like the screws here are a little bit corroded as well. We'll see what makes it tick. Nice. No, we've got a surface mount chip in this one. Little piezo buzzer there. There's a fair bit of flux kicking around on the board. It's not the cleanest thing I've seen. Right. Well, I think we might just clean those terminals up and see if that repairs it. So I think that's I say that one's really corroded. It's a pity I haven't got any new terminals, but I don't think I'll be able to go any for that particular size. I think what I'm going to use is my little grinding pen here, and we'll see if we can. And I think it needs, no, sorry, I think it might need recharged actually. And it looks like this spring. Right. Hang on, I'll put some switch cleaner in here. Well, it's a little bit better. It's still not perfect, but I don't know what else we can do with this. I might actually have a look on eBay to see if I can find some replacement contacts. Because I found some for AA batteries. I found some replacement ones on some other things that I've repaired before. Like these types of arrangements. So I wonder if it's possible to get some for C cells. I think I might have a look at that. Alright, we'll try some batteries in and we'll see if it springs to life. And if it does, like I say, I might see if we can get some replacement battery terminals. Still haven't got anything, but I think it might be because I've just cleaned around the outside of this the terminal here, and I think we need to be more in the centre. I'll tell you what, I'll go and have a quick look on eBay. I'll see if we can get some replacement terminals, and if so, I'll see if I can order some. So I managed to find a couple of replacement battery terminals on eBay. So we'll switch those out, and then it should be back to how it was when it was new. I'll just desolder the old ones. You can see on that one there, it's still quite corroded. That's the old spring terminal one there. And hopefully the new one will fit in. And if not, we may have to give it a slight shaving off with the grinder or something. Yeah, I think we might have to modify these very slightly. We'll just try the other terminal if I can get it out. This is the one that was corroded the most. So I'm not sure how easy it is going to be to get it out. Yeah, as you can see, fair amount of corrosion on that one, which is why I thought it might be better just to replace it. Right, I'll just give these a quick, actually see if that one will fit in, it might. No, I think it just needs a slither off with a floppy disc on the grinder, so I shall give these a quick whiz down and then I'll be back. The grinding modification is complete. Right, let's see if they fit now. Yes. Nice, I could have just left it the way it was, but I thought, well, you know, we might as well belt and braces it. And then it's pretty much back to factory, and there's no corrosion or anything, so better than factory, as they say. Right, last one to solder on. And that looks much better, that. I think we'll give that just a quick clean up with IP just to get rid of the old rust on it, and then we should look brand new. There we go, look at that. And I even found a couple of replacement screws as well instead of the old rusty ones, so we'll pop those in. And we'll pop some batteries in. So if you don't have a battery cover for the other side, and we'll switch it on. We'll just turn the light off a sec. So it's not moving because it's on a 2-player. That's better. Right, so there we go. repairing a PACMAN2. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please give it the thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, please subscribe. Any comments or questions, please leave it in the comment section below. And as always, have a great day. Thanks for watching.